Hi, I'm Dr. Disha, the Deputy Dean Faculty of Liberal Arts, a faculty that caters to an arts education across the globe. It is a faculty that is a mixture of three different faculties: Faculty of Languages, Faculty of Social Science, and a Center for Life Skills. If I talk about from the very beginning, if I talk about Center for Life Skills, it is a center that is going to talk about the skills that are being required for any individual across his life, be it interpersonal skills, be it critical thinking for life, or be it technical writing that is going to help him in any organization. If I move on to the second, that is about the Faculty of Languages, it is a department that caters to language and literature that can help him go across the world, be it any part of the world that he can be, and he can be his own self. It is going to cater to the literature across the world, a literature that will help him out to shape his own personality. Further, if I move on, it is the Faculty of Social Science. It is a department that is going to talk about all your social affairs, be it psychology, be it sociology, be it anthropology, why not be it any other subject that is going to be a part of liberal education. Now, Faculty of Liberal Arts, in a way, is going to shape and mold the entire career of the child. The child is going to be a holistic personality once he joins the department, that is Faculty of Liberal Arts. If I talk about the Faculty of Liberal Arts at GNA University, one thing is very crystal clear, that the faculty that we have, they have got imbibed in themselves the P that stands for passion. Faculty is highly passionate in making the children unleash their career, be it any horizons that they take up. Second is the faculty themselves is very much open. So they are receptive to the new things, they're highly innovative. That same thing can be inculcated and imbibed in the children later on. The faculty is totally transparent, and moreover, whatever they have taken up in their career, that same thing is being transpired to the students as soon as they reach the classrooms. The entire faculty is wholeheartedly dedicated in making the career of the children. So I guess taking up Faculty of Liberal Arts at GNA University is going to shape the career of the children later on in their life. Further, we also make our students rich in research and article writing because the course itself caters to their own writing skills. So they have to be very creative at the pen. They can take up research articles as a career in themselves, and they can be a freelancer later or sooner in their life. So yes, every faculty makes sure that research is imbibed in them from the very roots of the semester one. The Faculty of Liberal Arts also caters to so many clubs and societies. The very one if you name for, it stands for the Literature Club, that is called the Literary Society. It caters to all the poem, recitation, competition, story writing, anything that creative that comes under that cocoon can be taken up in this society. Further on, we have got another club that caters to a drama society, in which we have got the students from all the walks of life, from all the different areas and the vicinities around. It's a cosmopolitan campus, so definitely this club also caters to a dramatic activity that is called the Shakespearean drama, which is one of them which is taken up around the year.